From making non-stop headlines, the oldest Kardashian sister has startled her fans by purchasing a property sitting in between her actual mansion and her ex-husband's latest purchased home. Being stuck in the midst of the commotion and drama Kanye West is creating after the divorce, what made Kim buy a property close to his home? Let's find out. With being the world's 5th most followed fashion mogul on Instagram, Kim is all set to live her new life. She is investing in new things every day, but buying this house was surely not an investment. While it could be a new love nest for her and Pete Davidson, Kim shuts down the rumors. The property may not be exuberant, but there has to be a reason why Kim purchased it. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss Kim Kardashian paying extra to buy a $6.3 million property close to her $60 million mansion. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Ever since the split, the notoriously famous Kim Kardashian has tried her best to not publicize the divorce drama, which we all are surely keeping up with. Yet she has been one of the most searched and targeted people on social media because of her spot-on appearances lately. From not being able to pass the law exam to dating an SNL cast member privately, Kim has legitimately been a meme on social media this year. According to the New York Times, the billionaire has recently purchased a property which is said to be in between her Hidden Hills mansion and a property that her former husband, Kanye, bought last year in order to stay close to her and the children. Kim is said to have paid $800,000 over the asking price in order to snag the home, making sure she was not outbid by a potential new neighbor. Kim Kardashian is expanding her property portfolio in her own neighborhood after splashing out on a $6.3 million home directly beside her own Hidden Hills mansion. Photos of the new home show a somewhat outdated interior that could not be more different from the ultra-modern home that Kim has shown to fans on her Instagram. The house features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a shaggy green carpet and gaudy gold railings inside. But it is not Kim's usual style. The formal dining area would likely come as a shock to the minimalist stylist, loving family with dark wood flooring and gold curtains. Why did Kim pay extra bucks to have the property deal sealed right away? The answer, in our opinion, could be that the 4,230 square feet house is not going to be standing tall for too long, as probabilities are that Kim could be plotting to completely tear it down and have it restyled because it is not what Kim would usually go for. After all, she was known for making a living out of restyling celebrities' wardrobes before fame. She is definitely going to merge this $6.3 million house with her $60 million mansion, where she's currently living. With that being said, Kim is fully dedicated to her business, shapewear, and clothing brand Skims this year and is carefully making sure to stay sophisticated throughout this year and not make a fool out of herself. But unfortunately, with Kim being a public image, it is impossible. Best known for the notorious tape, people over the internet are still assuming that Kim's new purchase was a classic burn to Kanye since the property is close to Kanye's spy home, whereas in reality, she was just not ready to have new neighbors. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the most minimalistic home purchase ever made by the all-time extravagant Kim Kardashian? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.